how's it going, you guys? I wanted to make a quick little video about Ipsy Glam Bag Plus this month of September, birthday month, so I'm excited to see what is in here. And I wanted to kind of talk about an email I got from Ipsy literally like a day after I posted my August Glam Bag Plus unboxing. Well, in my August video I was talking about how it'd be cool if they had their signature Ipsy Glam Bag that it came in, but like bigger. That'd be kind of cute. You know how in Ipsy Glam bags, the $10 bag that you get this cute little bag that comes with it, a makeup bag, and it has these small little samples in there. Well, the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is actually a box, which is it's always been like confusing for me to call it a glam bag. But I joked around saying that it would be kind of nifty if they included like a cool little bag, you know, like a big bag. And then I joked around saying that, you know, we'd have so many. So I just got an email saying that they're gonna start including that. I even have the email here. So that's pretty cool. They're gonna start including that. But as I was reading this, I was like, And they said that it's an $8 like value. So I felt like, okay, so we're gonna pay for this, aren't we? Well, how are they gonna do that? Turns out, actually, your Glam Bag Plus is not gonna be increased the price. So it's still gonna stay at $25, but my beloved $10 baseline bag that they offer, the Ipsy Glam Bag, the normal one with the cute little bag for $10 a month is now $12. And I always loved that it was $10. I thought that was so cool. But I guess they're making people who get, you know, solely Ipsy Glam Bag, they're pretty much making them kind of pay for your Glam Bag Plus, maybe. I don't know how that money is going around, but you know what? It's all one company getting money from all of us. But hey, you know what? Ipsy Glam Bag, hopefully the $10 one, them upgrading it to $2 more, maybe they'll make some changes, because I already am pretty pleased with what I get from Ipsy Glam Bag. So we'll see what happens, we'll see what goes on. But guess what? There's more. Apparently now you can pick like 2 items in your Ipsy Glam Bag, so that's pretty nifty. Let's see here, it says, so choose 2 products every month starting in October. You can pick 2 products you'll receive each month, 1 in each bag. And then it says, new, you get a makeup bag with your Glam Bag Plus, is what I was talking about. Now your membership also includes a makeup bag valued at $8 every month. Oh, hold up, what is this? So apparently they've got Ipsy Glam Bag, Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and now they're throwing in Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate. Ultimate! Okay, what is this? Today we're also announcing our newest membership for the beauty obsessed, Glam Bag Ultimate. An indulgent beauty experience with 12 products a month. Be the first to get Ultimate. And I read more about it. Apparently it's like 8 of the larger sizes and then about 4 of the Ipsy Glam Bag sizes. I think they call it deluxe sizes or travel sizes. In other words, 8 big ones, 12 small ones type of thing. She's just like, was it necessary for you to sneeze like that? Actually, she's used to my shenanigans. Let's be real. She knows what's going on here. I found this cat in a bush. She's living a better life than she did in that bush, I tell you what. Anyway, I digress. I almost said I digest. I probably am digesting right now too. Anyway, so enough jibber jabber. Let's get on in it and see what is in this box. And I wonder if it came with a bag in here this month. All right, let's open her up and find out. Try not to look too hard in there because I don't want to spoil anything. But I don't really see a bag, so maybe that starts next month. Some things it said started in October. I don't know. You know, nowadays all these beauty subscription boxes that I've noticed have been like just upping it. They've been changing, they've been adding new memberships, they've been adding variations, like if you want premium boxes, if you want upgraded boxes, deluxe things. BoxyCharm's done it, and now I've heard Birchbox has increased their price too, so you know, that's the thing. Once these companies start rolling, they are so free to do that. But as long as they offer me good products and they have their clientele are happy, I mean, how can you complain? Okay, first thing in the box, it matches my shirt a little bit. It is, oh, I always forget the card and then I always have to go back because I get excited when I open the box. I'm like, oh, what is in there? Okay, so it says, find your light. Reminds me of the BTS song Lights. We got here what we got going on. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Okay, now back to this guy. What do we have here? Glamglow Tropicalcleanse Daily Exfoliating Cleanser. You know what? We just got a cleanser from Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and it was Glamglow. I think it was like a pearlescent shimmery type cleanser or something along those lines. But yeah, looked just like this, but in like a blue container. Well, actually no, it was like holographic or sparkly or something like that. It looked like Edward. Ooh, nice. Totally smells tropical. Urgh. I guess it doesn't twist off. Whew. Oh, that could have been a disaster. That is not orange. That is straight up gray. That's funny. Glamglow Tropicalcleanse Daily Exfoliating Cleanser, and it has green tea leaf, purple clay, goji berries, and acai. This exfoliating cleanser gently buffs away dull skin cells to reveal a refined glowing complexion. So I guess that's where it got the color from, the goji berries and the purple clay. It's gentle enough for everyday use, and you just use it like a cleanser. Circular motions, put it on your face, wash it off, don't eat it. So that value is 34 buckaroonies. 34 bucks. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Whew, I'm getting a lot of cleansers. I tell you what, I only got one face. But I've been giving away to my sister and my mom, and honestly, it's nice to try these different cleansers because, you know, you find your favorites. I really like gentle ones. Gentle. Okay, let's keep going and see what we got here. We got a Wander Beauty item, and it says that it is a brow pencil. I need a brow pencil. I really hope this is a good color for me. Darn it, there's tape on it. I got me a steak knife for this. Okay, don't do this at home, you guys. This is dangerous. I'm very serious about knife safety, even though it doesn't appear so at the moment. I'm also feeling very lazy and I didn't want to find a pocket knife, so I just grabbed a steak knife. I'll put her away. Don't worry. We're all good here. Kitty's fast asleep. She ain't worried. Let's get this guy out. Whoa, it just slid right. I wasn't fast enough. Oh, there's a spoolie. 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 Yeah. All right, and then we got, it's so fine. Means I can really get in now, you know what I'm saying? Ooh, okay. So, ooh. Very fine. Look at that. Very fine. You can do a little ooh, wow. Oh, this is cool. You can do little hairs. That is nifty. I'm excited to try that. You can just make little hairs. You can make you a little unibrow. You can do whatever you want to do. Wander Beauty Frame Your Face Micro Brow Pencil in Dark. They really got creative with that name. Brush eyebrow hairs vertically, use the pencil to draw short strokes and fill in sparse areas. Nice, I like it. Well, let's see how much it is. So that retails for $21. I am kind of curious. I'm gonna play a little risky game here. I wonder how far out this goes. Far out, bro. Steady. You're playing a dangerous game. Where are my Hamilton fans at? Okay, keep on, keep on. That's a good amount. Look at that. That's it. Put it against my face. There you go. Do you see how big that is? I just want to give you like, whoop-ah! Just kidding. I wonder how many people I made just cringe just then. If this breaks right now, how hilarious would that be? I wouldn't even be mad. So that is a good amount, honestly. It ain't no sample size, I tell you what. Let's put that away because I'm being risky. Next we have a lipstick, and I'm pumped about that, but I'm also a little nervous because ain't no telling what color this is gonna be. But it's Illamasqua Antimatter lipstick. What does that even mean? Rectangular type shape here, and the color is in Midnight. Ooh, I'm scared, I'm scared. Ooh, okay. So it's like a classic red, it looks like. I'm worried it might be a little too bright, but let's try it out. Let's see what we got here. Whew, this guy is bright red. Yeah, it's a vibrant, bright lipstick. It might be a little too red for me for my everyday look, but for certain occasions, maybe I could tone it down with darker lip liner or pair it with something like a neutral clothing where it doesn't combat it. But yeah, you know what? It feels pretty creamy. It went on nice. It is clearly highly pigmented. Illamasqua Antimatter lipstick in Midnight. Don't really know why it's called Midnight because, I mean, I guess if you wear this at midnight, someone will see you. You'll be doing you. People be like, yo. So this retails for $27. They say that it's non-drying and universally flattering. A classic red swipe. So it's a vitamin E infused formula. Oh wow. So it's one of those ones that don't come off easily. This has stained my lips. Now I might do a little bit of a gloss or a neutral color on top of it. Let me go grab something. So I just grabbed this little dude. It's an Estee Lauder Sugar Honey Shimmer. So just a quick little shimmer on top. And that's usually what I do. I mix and match that way. Done. All right, let us continue on and see what else we got. Our fourth item in the box. We've got a Ciate Extraordinary Translucent Powder. Oh, you're so fun! Interesting, cool. Doesn't come with a poof, so I guess you use your own brush on there or a little whatever you want to use, an applicator of any sort. You know, I don't use this stuff often, to tell you the truth. But it is nice to set your under eyes. After you put your concealer on, dab this on, then brush it away later. Ciate London Extraordinary Translucent Powder. It says that it's ultra blendable and it's finely milled magic. So whoa, that's saying a lot. It glides over makeup for crease-free, soft focus finish and locks your look in all day. So that's pretty cool. You can pretty much just like bake it, as they say. Oh, hit my toe. This dang Glamglow, it's like, you don't appreciate me and my purple clay! What was I saying? Yeah, oh, so it says set areas with concealer, pack on generous amount for this translucent powder over your concealer and leave on for 3 to 5 minutes before sweeping off the excess. And that retails for 22 buckaroonies. All right, let's check out our last item. We've got Nomad Berlin Special Ipsy Edition, not for sale. So it's a palette. Look at that. Well, this looks cool. It's huge. Okay, what do we have? Whoa! And there's little skulls with mohawks on it. Wow, look at all these colors. Some of them, no, you know what? They're all shimmery. Oh no. There's literally one matte color. Or maybe that's a matte. They all look shimmery. That is so neat. Look at that. There's there's yellows, there's teals, there's a purple. There's a little skull guy on them, you guys. So let me feel this. Let's see. Oh, it feels creamy. Do you see this? Look at this color. Wow. Creamy as can be. That feels so creamy. Look at that. I am so excited to blend. I feel like these are going to be really blendable. I am so excited to play with these. Beautiful. Let me try this color here. Oh, all of them are just so nice. Look at that. Do you see that green? Oh, I am excited about this. Like, I'm honestly pumped. It feels so creamy and I just love it. Like, it's cool that there's a little skull with a mohawk in there. I mean, that's kind of cool. Oh, so let's see the deets on this guy. Nomad Cosmetics Berlin Underground Intense Eyeshadow Palette. Yes, it is intense and I'm excited about it. Inspired by Berlin's rebellious 90s counterculture, this 15 shade palette features metallic matte and a duochrome hues. Oh, so duochrome hues, that's why it had that shimmery effect in there. Like distressed black, burnt orange, snakeskin green, hemp seed oil. Oh, wow, hemp seed oil nourishes lid with buttery soft feel. I'm telling you, it feels buttery soft. Serious color payoff, totally felt that. I'm gonna play with this. It's gonna be fun. So it says use these shadows dry for subtle shading and everyday looks, or wet for dramatic high impact shimmer. So excited about this. How much did this retail for? $37. Look at this variety. But they're not like obnoxious colors or anything. I mean, not saying that bold crazy colors are obnoxious by any means, but these are everyday colors that you can achieve and everyday looks that you can achieve with these colors here. But they're just bold enough, you know what I mean? Where you can have crazy looks. I think this is a good fall palette too, wouldn't you say? I really hope that this feels and looks as nice as it looks on this palette on my lids, you know what I mean? Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I like what you're doing. So we had 5 items. The prices were $37, $27, $22, $21, and $34, which equals $141. That's pretty good considering it's 25 bucks. As you could tell, I mean, is it not obvious? I'm pumped about this. And to tell you the truth, I'm really excited about this little eye pencil too. Mainly because I really needed one. I actually use liquid. I've been using this liquid one, Iconic Beauty I think it is. I absolutely love it. But, you know, sometimes if you want to just carry something that's like smaller and just in your bag and you don't have to worry about it as much, this little skinny guy, he's going to be good for that. Translucent powder, I just got one so I can't be that excited about it, but it's always good to try different products, different brands. And then I have this guy. He is quite red, but I definitely think I can work with him. And I love how it stains my lips, and it doesn't dry it out. So that's a good formula. Glamglow. That is a good haul. So that is pretty cool. Did not get my glam bag this month. It looks like we did not get that, but maybe that's next month. I don't know. I am excited to see what they're gonna look like. Well, let me know what you guys thought of the products and which ones you guys were the most excited about. Thanks for hanging out. I'll see you guys later.